Today I wanted to eat something sweet at the same time, something healthy. So I tried this apple carrot salad. Let's start with the dressing. I have fresh orange juice. Add honey to it. It's optional because I'm going to add dates for sweetness. Uh, Black pepper, and stir it very nicely, and we'll keep it aside for a few minutes and get ready with the salad. So I have apples cube. You can add different kinds of apples, grated carrot, pinch of salt to take out the sweet flavor, chopped dates. You can also add figs, and mix it well. I always go creative with every time I make salad. I try to change the nuts, the sweetness of it. So every time you get a different flavor. To this, we are going to add the dressing. After adding dressing, keep it aside for a few minutes, for like 4 to 5 minutes, until all that flavor is in that salad. And now we are going to add some nuts for crunchiness. You can add any nuts, pistachio, almonds, whatever you have. Every day you can change it. I'm adding walnuts, you can add peanuts. I also add boiled peanuts to it. And some toasted sesame seeds. Stir it well and enjoy it.